Hello, first graders. It's Mrs. Gady. Are you ready for some math? I am. Today, we're going to play a little bit of true and a little bit of false. We're going to decide if equations are true or if they are false, not true. So here we go. Let me show you your I can statement for today. And for this part of the activity, you can just watch with me, or you can follow along with paper and pencil, kind of like taking notes and practicing. And then after I explain it here, I'll show you the seesaw activity for today. So if you need a paper and pencil, stop the video, go get it, come on back, and here we go. Today's I can statement, read it with me, first graders, is I can decide if an equation is true or false. All right, so I'm going to move this out of the way, and I've got a little chart here. This side says true. I gave it a green check mark, green for go. And this side says false, and I gave it a red X mark, red for stop. So true or false, we need to decide. So if I gave you an equation, it's actually two parts that looked like this. Oh my goodness. It's one of those equations where they have two numbers on this side and two numbers on that side. Tricky, tricky. Don't get tricked. I don't think that you will, because I remember when we were back at school together, we saw some of these, and this is what we did. We figured out what this side equaled and what this side equaled, and then we decided if they were the same or not. So 6 plus 3 equals, shout it out or write it down, 6 plus 3 equals, you're right, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 3. What is it? Oh yeah, 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've got this side and this side narrowed down into just one number. Let's put that equals sign back. Is 9 equal to 8? Is 9 the same as 8? No, 9's bigger than 8. So this equation is, what is it? Oh, yeah, you got it. It's false. That is not true. 9 does not equal 8. All right, here we go. Another practice. Putting it right there. We've got these two parts to our equation. Oh my goodness, it's a tens. Quickly adding with tens. I can add to 10 quickly. 2 plus 10 is 12. Oh yeah. Now let's do this. 8 plus 4. Well, I might not know it automatically, but I can just count up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 equals 12. True or false? Shout it out. Yes, true. 12 does equal 12. Yeah, all right, there's a true. Here comes another for you first graders. Oh, it's that adding with 9. Remember, it might have been about a month ago, I gave you that cool adding with 9 strategy. Whenever you add with 9, you can kind of think of it as adding with tens. So if we turn this 9 into a 10, we went up by 1. So we'd have to turn this 3 into a 2 and go down by 1. So look at this. 9 plus 3 equals 10 plus 2. Do you remember that strategy I taught you? Look at the 9 turned into a 10. It went up by 1. and the 3 turns into a 2. It went down by 1. Let's see if this works. Let's just prove it. 9 plus 3. We can count on to prove it. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. 10 plus 2. We just did this right here. We did 2 plus 10. That's the same as 10 plus 2. It's adding with tens. We know that really quickly. 12 equals 12. Oh, yes, it does. Another true. And look at that. That cool adding with 9 strategy works. Turn the 9 into a 10 and turn the other number into 1 less. Love it. Love these strategies. Okay, una más. One more. I'm going to move this out of the way just so it doesn't seem confusing for now. We've got a 3 plus a 3 equals a 2 plus a 5. Let's figure it out. 3 plus 3 is easy. It's a double. You know your doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 2 plus 5, maybe you know it. 5, add 2 really quickly. 5, 6, 7. 6 equals 7. No way, Jose. All right, that is false. I'm going to put this one back here. So these equations are true, but these equations are false. So I don't even like having that equal sign there anymore because it's false. It's not true. So you can make a slash through your equal sign, and that means does not equal. All right, so for today in Seesaw, you're going to have an activity similar to this. It's going to look like this. You'll have a true section and a false section. And then there's all kinds of equations down here. You're going to drag them over to the correct spot. So for example, if I took this equation, I'm just going to move it into the middle so we can look at it. It says 0 plus 9 equals 5 plus 4. What do you think, first graders? Is that true or is that false? Yes! Dun, 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 dun. Did you say true? You make me so happy, mathematicians. 0 plus 9, that's 9. And 5 plus 4, I know that's 9. 9 equals 9. It's put into the true section. You'll need to go in and drag all the rest of these equations into true or false for Seesaw today. And that is it, my friends. Guess what? Where did I put? Oh yeah, here it is. I can decide if an equation is true or false. Yes, you can. All right, until next time. Bye-bye.